Hello everyone, my name is Vinay Kumar Sharma and I welcome all of you in my YouTube channel. Dear viewers, in today's video, I'm going to tell you that how we can record the attendance of all the participants who attend the meetings through the Google Meet application. This video is also beneficial for all those teachers who attend their live classes through the Google Meet application and want to record the attendance of the students. So how to record the attendance of the students? Let us see. For recording the attendance, we need to do certain settings in our mobile phone and install certain applications in our mobile phone. So let us begin. First of all, you go to Play Store. In the search box of the Play Store, type Kiwi browser, Kiwi Kiwi browser, Browser, and then press search button. This type of result will come in front of you. After that, install the application. I have already installed this application in my mobile phone. That's why it is appearing like this. After installing the application, press the open button. When you will press the open button, this type of screen will appear on your mobile. After that, you need to do certain settings in your browser. For doing the settings, just click on the three dots which are given at the top side of the web browser here. Then go to the setting option from this menu. After going to the setting option, go to site setting option, this one, and press it. After that, go to the last of this menu and here you will find one option with the name desktop mode by default. So you need to click on this option and then turn it on. By default, this option is turned off, but when you will open it for the first time, then you need to turn it on. After doing this much, come back with the back arrow of your mobile in the home page of your browser. Here in the search box of the browser, type Chrome, CHROME space web, WEB, web space store, 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 and then press the go button from the keypad of your mobile. You will find many results. Out of many results, you need to click on this result, Chrome Web Store. After clicking on this button, you will find this type of a page. After that, go to the left hand side and here in the corner you will find one search box like this. In the search box, you need to type meet, 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 attendance, ATTENDANCE, DANCE, and then press the go button. After pressing on the go option, you will find these type of results on your screen. Out of these attendance extensions, you need to install one extension with the name Google Meet Attendance Collector, this one, where one boy would be there. After doing this, just you need to click on the button Add to Chrome. Because I have already installed this extension in my mobile, that's why it is showing rated, but on your mobile it will show Add to Chrome. So you need to click on that. It will ask from you certain permissions. You need to give those permissions to them, and then it will automatically be installed in the Kiwi browser. After doing this much, you need to come back and close this web browser for first time. After that, again open this browser. Web browser, Google, Google, Google Meet, Meet, and then press the go button. These type of results will appear on your screen. You need to click on the option Meet dash Google, and when you will press this option, you will automatically reach to the official website of the Google Meet. Here you need to click on the new meeting. Then you can share the link of the meeting with your students or with your participants with the help of email or WhatsApp or any other media. When you will share the link, all the participants will join your meeting. Like you can see, at present, I am having only one person in the meeting. When other students will join the meeting, the number will show here. After taking the meeting, just press the button which is here in the red color, and in this way you have successfully completed your meeting. Now you need to come back to the home page of your web browser, and again you need to click on the three dots which are given in the right hand side at the top. Then press the Google Meet attendance option from this menu, and from here you need to download the attendance of participants who joined your meeting or class. Let me here clarify you certain things, that once you have downloaded the Excel sheet, after that you need to press the refresh button. When you will press the refresh button, then old participants who attended your last meeting, their data will be deleted automatically, and whenever you will attend or take your new meeting, then this data will not add with your new meeting. One very important thing I want to share with you people here is that whenever you will start your web browser for the first time, you need to give certain permissions to the web browser, like to access photo, audios, and videos. And also, you need to sign in the web browser with the help of your Gmail account. Then you people would be able to sign in, or you people would be able to attend the meetings through this web browser. So this is all about in today's video. I hope you people would have learned something new, interesting and knowledgeable. If you find any kind of difficulty in doing this settings in your mobile, kindly ask me through the comment box of this video. I will definitely try to sort out your problem. So we will meet you soon in our next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care of yourself. God bless you all.